Moi kaikki! In today's video, we are going to talk about we, me sentences suomeksi. And in particular, I'm highlighting what Finnish people use in puhekieli when talking about me. Me sentences might already be familiar for you if you've been studying Finnish for some time. For example, saying we are would be me olemme. Me olemme. We are. Or we go would be me menemme. Me menemme. This me plus me ending is the backbone of talking about we doing something in Finnish. However, in puhekieli or spoken Finnish, a lot of Finns won't use this form in day-to-day speech. And in this video, I want to highlight what Finnish people use instead. I'll go through this and give you some example sentences in a moment, but first, if you want to actually practice the Finnish that people really speak and not just the textbook version, I really recommend checking out Italki, who are kindly sponsoring this video. Click the link in my description box to check out Italki, which is a language learning platform focused on giving you the chance to connect with native speakers and practice speaking. On Italki, you can enter the language you want to learn and then browse the list of tutors on the platform. You can watch their intro video, read their class descriptions, and read student reviews until you find a tutor that matches your style. Tutors set their own hours, so you can always find someone who fits around your timetable. If you're like Remy and have been using my videos and workbooks to learn Finnish, but want to take the next step and practice speaking, then Italki is a great choice. If it's your first time on Italki, you get 3 trial classes, which means you can test out different tutors to see which one you click with for a cheaper price. If you are booking your first class on Italki, you can use the code CATCHATS11 to get €5 off your first class. Make sure to type it into the promo code box to redeem. All classes are private and one-to-one, so everything is personalized to you, whether you want to practice small talk, pronunciation, or do some test prep drills. You can take as many or as few classes as you want, even just one at a time. You can find the link to Italki down below in my description box. As I was saying, in spoken Finnish, instead of using the me ending for talking about we, Finnish people sometimes will actually use the passive form. So what does the passive form look like? So instead of saying me olemme, people might say me ollaan. Me menemme in passive would be me mennään. So here, instead of using the passive only for passive type sentences, Finnish people are using the passive tense or passive voice to talk about we doing something. So this is puhekieli. Me syömme ruokaa would be me syödään ruokaa. The next question you might have is, well, how do you then form the passive? Okay, I get it. You use me mennään instead of me menemme when speaking Finnish day to day. But how do you form this passive tense? Tell me, please. Forming the passive follows the same steps. The only difference is verb type 1, which I do have a video about this on my channel if you want to check out my verbs playlist. If you're like, what is verb type 1? Why are there different verb types? I recommend checking out those videos. However, if you know what a verb type is and you know already what a verb type 1 is, then that is the only verb group that will slightly differ from the rest in forming passives, and I'll go over that first. First, you take a verb type 1 verb. Let's say nukkua, 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 to sleep. So the first step you need to do is to find the weak form, which is the minä form. So I sleep is minä nukun, or mä nukun. Then you remove the n and add taan or tän, depending on vowel harmony, which again, if this is the first time you're hearing about it, I have a video on that as well. Nukun turns into nukutaan. This is the passive form, and this is the form you would use when you want to, in puhekieli, talk about we doing something. Me nukutaan. Me nukutaan yöllä. Me nukutaan kotona. That's how you use it. Or istua. to sit. Mä istun, that's how you find the weak form. Mä istun, take off the N and add taan or tään, depending on vowel harmony. So, istutaan. Me istutaan tuoleilla. We are sitting on chairs. Me istutaan tuoleilla. Me istutaan olkkarissa. So, olohuone is living room. Puhekieli for olohuone is olkkari. So I might say, me istutaan olkkarissa. We're sitting in the living room. The only exception for this is if the word ends in an A or A, then the letter changes to, that A or A, changes into an E. So for example, maksaa would be mä maksan. So that last A, after you take the N away, that last A switches into an E. So it would be maksetaan. Me maksetaan kortilla. We are paying by card. Or ottaa, to take. Mä otan, that last A changes into E. Me otetaan. Me otetaan jälkkäriä. We'll take dessert. Me otetaan jälkkäriä. Otetaan. Nauraa. Mä nauran. Mä nauran. Naura. Nauretaan. Me nauretaan tälle vitsille. Me nauretaan. Okay? Like, it'll take a bit of repetition to get the hang of this, but this is the key rules. Well, what about for the rest of the verb types? What are you supposed to do? So actually, luckily, it's quite easy. So for the rest of the verb types, luckily, it's pretty straightforward. So you take the infinitive form or the basic form of the verb and then add a passive ending of either an or n, also depending on vowel harmony. So for example, juoda would just be juodaan. Me juodaan vettä. Syödä, syödään. Me syödään pullaa. Opiskella, opiskellaan. Me opiskellaan suomea. So for most of the verbs, it is like this unless it's in verb type 1. Okay, here is a short recap. So pick out all the me phrases in the text and turn them into puhekieli. I'll read it out loud and you can do this exercise in the comments on a piece of paper in your mind. Tänään me heräämme aamulla kello 8. Sitten me istumme ja syömme aamupalaa. Sen jälkeen me menemme töihin. Me olemme töissä koko päivän ja tulemme illalla kotiin. Illalla me luemme kirjaa ja katsomme telkkaria. So what would this be in passiivi or in me puhekieli? Pause this video and have a think about this. Okay, so now I will switch this into passiivi and let's see how much of it you got right. Tänään me herätään aamulla kello 8. Sitten me istutaan ja syödään aamupalaa. Sen jälkeen me mennään töihin. Me ollaan töissä koko päivän ja tullaan illalla kotiin. Illalla me luetaan kirjaa ja katsotaan telkkaria. So how does that sound? Does that sound more natural? Because in Finnish, when I'm speaking, this is how I talk. If you like these types of recap exercises, do keep in mind I post monthly homework workbooks just like this on my Patreon and YouTube memberships level 2. Go take a look at that since I do have over 40 homework booklets ready to be downloaded immediately once you become a member. It's €10 per month plus tax. And it's a good way to recap all the stuff we have learned every month here on YouTube, as well as it gives you some structure in your studying. Kiitos tosi paljon kun katsoitte ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!